What's up? It's Elaine and today I'm gonna show you guys how to draw an eyeliner. This video was highly requested. Not that I get that many requests, but it was the most that was requested out of all of them. So I'm here today. I do explain it in my makeup videos, but then I know it's very broad and not very detailed and very rushed because, you know, I don't want to make my video all about my eyeliner. So I'm here today to tell you the details. So today I'm going to use the Ultra Ink eyeliner from Kat Von D. But as you can see, this is so annoying. Do you guys see how the tips just kind of ruined like that? I'm gonna get the help of another eyeliner that I have. But anyway, let's get started with this eyeliner. I need a mirror. So, okay, actually, I'm not gonna use a mirror. Okay, I'm gonna use a mirror. Okay. I am a mess. I'm gonna start from the beginning right here. Very thinly. Okay, very thinly. Yeah. Very thin, huh? Okay, Elaine, do you have to open your mouth like that? So that is how thin it is gonna be. Doesn't even show, but it's okay. That's how thin it's gonna be. Like, the inside really doesn't matter. It is just for the sake of having eyeliner in the front. I already kind of do an outline with my eyeshadow, as you could tell. This is the end of my eye, right? But not gonna start it there. I'm gonna start it, can you guys see? I'm gonna start it right here. Do you guys see that? Why? Elaine, why do you do that? Because if I open my eyes like that, my beginnings right there is gonna be oval. But I don't want a oval eyeliner. I want straight, you know? Do you guys, I don't know. This is so hard to explain. So if I have an eyeliner starting from right there, is gonna become very circular. Do you see my fat kind of curving there? It's gonna be like that, but I don't want it to be like that. And then I'm gonna pull it out. There's a empty space right there, but that's okay. Yeah. If I do a whole outline on my eye, all black, my eyes are gonna look even smaller and very tapdape. But anyway, that's how I did it. Okay. I accidentally made it too long, but it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. From here, very importante. We're gonna pretend our eye is a little more to the right, and we're gonna start that curve from here. Does that make sense? I'll show you an example. Regular eye, you would start the curve from here, right? Like that. But we're gonna pretend our eye is a little bit more to the right, and we're gonna start it. Oh, I need a mirror. We're gonna start it a little bit more here. Does that make sense? Yeah? No? Yeah? And from here, we're going to connect. How do we connect? Very good question, Elaine. So from here, I'm gonna fill that in first, and then when I open my eye, so it shows when I open my eye. Okay. And then from here, I'm gonna connect. Okay. Kind of something like that. From here, we're gonna connect that part a little better. Not the best, but what can I do? So that is my outline right now, and I check if I like it or not, because it's easier to fix it when there's an outline. Anyway, I'm gonna fill it in. Okay, filled that in. When I open my eyes, you could see until there. So I gave up on letting it appear in the front. So I try to make it appear on the edges, but not only that tail, but also where it goes up. I don't really like having just one line appearing, so I make sure to make it thicker as I go inwards, because it does show in my eye, you know? It does show that it is getting thicker, but it disappears out of nowhere. But that's fine. I think that's fine. That's why I need to do mascara to kind of like avoid that awkwardness in my eye. And I like it thin on the inside because it is not too like, whoa, when you close your eyes, you know? Like every time, you don't know because you can't see yourself when you blink, but everybody else sees you when you're blinking. Yeah, and it shows your eyeliner much more than you think. If you want to know, you should take a video of yourself. So let me do the under side right now. I'm gonna fill it in first and see how much more I have to draw on this side. Okay, I think they look pretty even to me. This side is a little bit higher, but it's okay. Nobody knows. This side is always covered with my hair anyways. You can't really tell. That was my eyeliner tutorial, and thank you guys so much for watching. I feel like I didn't explain everything that I could have, like what kind of techniques or angles I used to do it. So it was very, very, very hard. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are the best. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and give me a comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.